Hello friends. Welcome to TrackHr. Today we will learn how to enable employees' live location in TrackHr. First, open TrackHr. As soon as you will open the app, you will come to the home screen. On the top left, click on the three bars icon on the app. Then scroll down to the last. Click on Console button. After that, click on the live location tracking. Then search for the employee you want to enable live location for and click on Enable icon. Live location will be available after the next checking of that employee. Similarly, in few simple steps you can enable live location of employees in TrackHr app.